Hi guys, today we're going to be doing a Wednesday Addams inspired Halloween look. I'm going to be starting off with my e.l.f. Camo CC cream. I'm using this. This is the lightest foundation that I have at the moment. That's why I'm using it. So just use a very light foundation, one that's maybe a couple shades lighter than your skin tone right now. This actually matches my skin tone right now. And then I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I'm going to put this all over the place to set. Next, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit in the shade Fawn. I'm just going to carve out those cheekbones, contour the forehead, under the neck, and also I'm going to contour my nose a little bit with this shade. Just make sure you blend out your contour. Next, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette with the shade Lore. I'm going to place this in the transition area, focusing the darkest part in the crease and really smoking it out. Next, I'm going to go in with the shade Obsidian. I wasn't really liking how this shadow was blending. It was a little patchy. So I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette with the shade Abyss, and I'm packing this onto the lid instead, and I was much more happy with how it was blending. Next, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liner. This is a really great waterproof liner, and I'm just going to create a sharp wing here. I'm going to start in the outer corner, bring it up, and then bring it back down to create that little wing there. Next, I'm going to go in the waterline with the black liner. This is the one from NYX. This is a NYX Epic liner. Next, I'm going to go with that same shade Lore, and I'm going to really smoke out the lower lash line. Really take your time and really blur it out. Just going to pop on some lashes. And camera cut out, but I put the same eyeshadow shade Lure on my cheeks. It is a little patchy, but I wanted it to look really cohesive. Next, I'm going to go in with that same NYX liner and line my lips with that. And then with a NYX pencil in the shade Nude Truffle, I'm going to blend that black shadow into the lip with this brown color to create a gradient. Next, I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Color Rich Matte Lipstick in the shade MATTE-TUDE. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.
The Addams family.